Hey, it's Piper Reporter Autumn.
And Piper Reporter Emma.
And we're at the new and improved Sorin Hall.
Sorin's gone through many new renovations, like the Hamline bookstore moving right on campus.
Yes, there are a lot of new additions to Sorin, so let's check them out.
2012, we moved the food service out of that space, and so it's really kind of been unused fully space on the campus since that time. And what we've done is turn it into a mall. That's kind of what I call it. It's really, the name of the place is Sorin Commons. So what we were brought to that location is safety and security offices. We took them out of where they were in Bush Center, moved them down to the south end of the campus. We also moved the gathering space. Gathering place is what it's called. We relocated the game room within the space because the game room was in the space. And then we added the bookstore. And then we moved the campus post office and copy center. But I think the motivating factor for what went into it at this point was the real desire to bring the bookstore back on the campus. It makes it a place of activity and a destination. I think that with the Anderson Center down in that corner and the Sorin and the new functions that are in that first floor, it really brings a lot of activity to that corner of the campus, which I'm very happy to see.
Make sure you come check out Sorin Hall to see it for yourself.
Thanks for watching.